this video, we'll show you how to install Harley-Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate. Welcome back. I'm Eric with Rockford Fosgate, and today we're going to show you how to install our new saddlebag lid cut-in kit, designed to add 6x9 speakers to your existing non-audio Harley-Davidson bag lids. Now note that this video specifically covers the saddlebag cut-in lid kit, part number 76001547. This should be used in conjunction with the full audio kit installation videos. For complete installation instructions, please refer to the Harley-Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate saddlebag speaker install video. Now, during the installation process, we may refer you to the product iSheets and the Harley-Davidson service and repair manual. If you do not have a service manual, it can be purchased through your local Harley-Davidson dealership. Now, to help guide you through the installation, you'll see these icons appear at the bottom of the screen. The first icon refers you to the Harley-Davidson service and repair manual, specific to your make and model. The second icon points you to the product iSheet, which illustrates the detailed installation steps and lists the tools required. Now, to get started, we want to remove the main fuse to prevent the motorcycle from accidentally starting. First, make sure to disable the security system on motorcycles that are equipped. We'll remove the clutch side saddlebag and service cover to access the main fuse. Once that's done, you can remove the brake side saddlebag and put it safely aside. Now we're ready to prep for our saddlebag lid cut-in kit. First, we'll need to remove the existing saddlebag lids. Start by removing 4 screws with a T15 holding the fabric hinge, and remove 5 screws holding the metal hinge assembly together on each side. Now, use a T25 to remove 3 coarse thread screws for the lock panel. And finally, remove 1 screw that holds the handle in place. Put this hardware aside for now, as we'll need it to reinstall the saddlebag lids. Now, once you're done, repeat the process on the other side. All right, let's take a look at the bag lid kit, which features an all-new way to cut 2024 and newer bag lids with a bucket style system, top mounting the speaker that allows for more saddlebag storage. We've designed an all-new cutting template that adds strength while cutting from the outside with a jigsaw or the inside with an air saw. The new clamshell system features a 7-way gasketing system that raises the speaker up, allowing for higher performing drivers to be used. All right, we're ready to prepare our bag lids. To get started, we'll use an oscillating multi-tool to shear off the existing tether tower. Then we'll use painter's tape to cover the top of the bag lid so we don't scratch the paint. Now be careful to only use a single layer of tape to prevent shifting of the template. Position the template on top, making absolutely sure the front lip of the template is sitting firmly against the ridge of the bag lid. Then mark the 2 pilot holes on top with a center punch. Remove the template and use a 1/8 inch bit to drill 2 holes. Secure the template in place using a No. 2 Phillips and the small screws provided in the kit. Now that we have that done, we'll center punch each of the hole locations. Then use a 1/8 inch drill bit to drill our pilot holes. Once that's done, increase the hole size using a 5/16 bit. Using a saw with a fine-tooth blade, follow along the outside edge of the template. Now this is very important for the fitment of the assembly. To maintain accuracy, do not cut segments of the template until all slots have been cut. Once you're done, remove the template and clean up the cutouts, making sure there are no burrs around the edges. Once again, verify all your cuts follow the outside edge of the template. Once you're done, remove the masking tape and repeat the process on the other side. Okay, now we're ready to install the saddlebag speaker bucket. Start by aligning the edge along the lower side of the Baglid gasket. Now, it's important, if the bucket becomes unseated from the rubber gasket, to use a plastic pry tool to realign it. Reinstall the hinge and latch assembly back onto the Baglid. Reinstall the handle using a T20 Torx driver. Once you're done, use a T25 to reinstall the 3 bolts that attach the assembly. Next, flip the Baglid over to prepare for installation of the top bucket, noting the tabs that slide over the inside edge of the Baglid. Carefully attach the top part to the bottom to ensure they're properly seated together. Then, start installing a rubber washer on each of the 6 screws and use a 3mm Allen to start each screw into the brass insert. Now be careful not to cross thread these screws. A pick tool can come in handy to help with alignment. Secure the screws using an alternating pattern. Once you're done, repeat the process on the other side. Now that we have that done, we're ready to reinstall our lids back onto our saddlebags. Reinstall the 4 inner hinge screws with a T15 and 2 outer screws for the fabric hinge. Finally, reinstall the 3 coarse thread screws for the lock panel. Once you're done, repeat the process on the other side, then reinstall them onto your motorcycle. At this junction of the installation, you'll want to refer to our companion video, Harley-Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate saddlebag speaker install. This will guide you through the process of installing the necessary wiring to power your rear saddlebag speakers. As you can see, that install was straightforward, right? But if you have questions or prefer a professional do the installation, please don't hesitate to contact your local Harley-Davidson dealership. Until next time, I'm Eric, and we'll see you again soon.